underneath that big old oak tree, where we carved our names for the world to see. I remember the smell of wildflowers in your hair. You were my dream girl, nothing else could compare. We danced in the moonlight, a soft summer breeze. Your laughter echo brought me to my knees. I tasted sweet lemonade on your lips, every moment with you like a summer eclipse. 'Cause you're my everything, my heart's own song. With you by my side, I know where I belong. In this little chapel, we'll promise and vow, forever starts tonight. I'll cherish you now. Remember our first kiss? It was under that sky. The stars were shining bright as we whispered goodbye. Now here we are, in this white dress so fair. You're the most beautiful sight. It's love that we share. With each step I take, I feel time stand still. As I see you walk down, my heart's getting filled just like that first day.
Hi everyone, this is Rosa Rock. Welcome to my channel. Sometimes I wonder why I always escape the city and come here in a deep nature. Sometimes jungle, sometimes mountain, sometimes desert. Maybe because everything feels real here. No traffic, no noise, no endless rush. Just me, wilderness, and the silence almost speaks to me. Here is some green tea that I brought with myself. This feels good. Everything here feels good. So, I grew up in nature. Since I remember I was just a kid, I've been in nature. Every time I come here in the nature, I feel I'm getting back. I'm reclaiming something, a part of myself that I lost. Nature doesn't care. It doesn't matter who you are, how much money do you have, and what role do you play in the city. Some people think bushcraft is just set up of some skills like setting a fire, finding food, making a shelter, and something like that, and etc. But to me, it is life. Being in nature, bushcrafting, hiking, mountain climbing is just life for me. It is reconnecting to something we have been separated from too long. When you walk through the nature in the woods, the trees release a compound called phytoncides, which reduce the stress and make us calm. Maybe this is why when I'm in nature, I feel calm and free. Nothing can hurt me. My mind is empty when I'm in nature. And that's a scientific fact, but we have lived in the nature for like thousands or even millions of years in our home. It's not just a place to visit. It is our home. The nature I mean. This is an organic orange which I found in the forest yesterday. This is not a garden fruit. This is a jungle fruit. So let's Let the nature so let's go to the nature and let it tell us the rest of my story. Thank you guys.